Dearest gentle viewer, whispers have begun to circulate throughout the ton. Whispers of a most elegant and unconventional undertaking within the BuildVenture estate. As any respectable member of the ton knows, one must first visit the modistes before making a grand debut. A full PC build, crafted with grace, decorum and perhaps a hint of scandal. Rumor has it, this distinguished member of the House of AMD possesses both charm and unwavering resolve, making him a most desirable match for any system of standing. A gentleman of respectable standing, admired by all who value balance and refinement. Whispers among the ton suggest that this refined apparatus maintains its composure even under the most heated of circumstances. A steadfast chaperone, ensuring her ladyship never loses her cool. This pristine white beauty has captured the attention of the ton, offering elegance, compatibility, and a surprising degree of charm. A most elegant foundation for any noble build. Though humble in pedigree, these memory sticks are admired for their steadfast nature, a quiet triumph among society's more practical members. A dependable companion for any lady or lord. This limited edition guest has captured the attention of every observer, arriving with bold intentions and even bolder performance. The ton shall undoubtedly whisper about this one for seasons to come. Making her first appearance before the ton, this power supply is set to deliver her energy with both grace and consistency. A most promising addition to any noble household. This nimble gentleman is known for his speed and discretion, a combination highly prized among society's elites. A suitor who never keeps a lady waiting. Though not the fastest among society, this seasoned fellow offers generous capacity and unwavering loyalty. A trusted companion for archival matters. This nimble courier ensures that her ladyship remains connected to society, delivering messages with admirable haste. A most essential messenger for maintaining one's place in society. With introductions complete, dear viewer, let us take a promenade through the assembly. Each component is guided to its rightful place with the poise of a duke and the precision of a seasoned chaperone. And now, the moment upon which all of the tongues shall gossip for weeks. Her Ladyship's machine stands veiled, awaiting her debut. Will she awaken with grace, or shall scandal strike? Alas, a most improper oversight has come to light. In the excitement of the moment, your humble Lord BuildVenture neglected to provide her Ladyship with her essential connection to society, the HDMI. Yet in a twist worthy of the modiste's gossip column, the very instant the connection is restored, her Ladyship awakens. A triumph. Behold, her Ladyship's machine, radiant and resplendent, ready to take her rightful place among the top. Thus concludes our most refined expedition. Until our next promenade through the world of technology and intrigue, dear viewer, I remain Lord BuildVenture.